Today I'm going to show you how can I manage screen mirror effect of your front camera in the POCO C50. So to start, open the camera app, then remember to flip the camera to the front one and go to the 3-line button. Now choose the settings, and as you can see there we have a free mirror front camera. If you want to flip your photos, do not flip your photos, just switch it on, take a photo, and as you can see the photo is exactly same like in the camera. But if you want to flip your photos, go to the settings, switch it off, and take a photo again. And there's a difference between them. Okay, this is a difference between them. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.